just living with the pain. See, I've gone too far. I tried mistakes like broken and choose the rough terrain. I can't ignore my scars. They lost them and I want to be so bad again. So do you think you're fine, or are you just living with the pain? My dreams are where I take refuge, the one place I can live a life beyond my touch. But still I yearn for insomnia, to force myself to make them real. You can't take much. What is there left to do when all you do is torment yourself? You suffer sleepless nights, you paranoia and your selfish sense of pride. So did you got a reason why, or are you just scared to lose this fight? See, I've gone too far. I tried mistakes like broken and choose the rough terrain. I can't ignore my scars. They lost them and I want to be so bad again. So do you think you're fine, or are you just living with the pain? So do you think you're fine, or are you just living with the pain? See, I've gone too far. I tried mistakes like broken and choose the rough terrain. I can't ignore my scars. They mark the land I want to be so bad again. No, I don't think I'm fine, but I'm just living with the pain.